a beautiful day. Why are you so blue? Hey, it's been too long that you shut your heart out. Well, I know it's true. Sometimes love can hurt, so give it some time. One day you'll be fine. It's such a beautiful day. Why you're still frowning? Hey, it's been too long to contemplate on how to deal with your broken heart all over again, till you can feel the love. Oh, when the sun comes after rain, you will live again, feeling love again. Love sometimes goes unseen, what you see on the screen, and always what it seems. Such a beauty.